15 minutos.
I love it. Okay. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome. Welcome to the daily download. Welcome to your dose of connection, collaboration, contribution for your day. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for being a part of our wonderful and amazing soul family. So thank you. Um, I wanted to talk about the wise old man, right? What does that mean? When you think of the wise old man, who is that? Who is that? And what is that? When I think of the wise old man is that person that you just happen to sit next to, let's say at a bus stop or on the subway or maybe in a bar or something. And you get kind of engrossed in their story, in their life, in their conversation. And just by being them, being who they are, there is this wisdom that radiates from them. And that wisdom that radiates from them, from their life experience, draws you in and it activates something in you. And as it activates something in you, you say, I want to choose that for myself, right? I look up to that. I am inspired by that. I want to create life experience that is similar. Who is the wise old man that each of us has in our life every day? Who or what, could be a what as well, inspires you every day? What inspires you to acknowledge that today is a gift? What inspires you when you go through challenges? What holds space for you when you're not feeling well and you can't get over a hurdle? That's the energy that we want to begin to channel and look at and acknowledge having in our life right now. Okay. There's this dynamic opportunity that is also happening. The planet Saturn is moving direct, and Saturn is kind of like the old man. It really is the wise old man of the zodiac. That's why I wanted to kind of prompt us for the wise old men. What that means is that in this time and in this space, you're going to feel more supported in all of the lessons that you're learning, right? The judgments that you feel like you're going through, the pain, the suffering, the sickness, whatever it is, you're going to feel that support. What's important is, can you see it? Can you acknowledge it? And most, even beyond that, can you receive it? Many of us have many opportunities all day long to connect, whether it be with another person, whether it be with a teacher or a friend or a stranger, but we're not so open to connecting. Now is the time that we want to really, really melt our walls and barriers and realize, what if life was like running a marathon and you were running a marathon and you were, let's say, a quarter of the way until your finish line, and you had all these people that were standing on the sidelines cheering you on. And in your head, you were remembering the experiences, the past stories of champions, and you're running that in your head, and you have people cheering you on from the outside. And what if right now we could realize that activating that energy is actually there for us all the time, but most of the time we drown it out and push it out. So I want to focus on receiving support, receiving the knowing that you are supported, that people are holding space for you, that people love you, that people care about you, and that you're worthy. Okay. So let's channel that energy today and let's begin our meditation. So let's close our eyes and find ourselves in our heart. And as we do so, let's just begin by taking 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And now let's shift our awareness to the center of the earth. And as we shift our awareness to the center of the earth, let's imagine this beautiful energy swirling around in the center of the earth. And from this space, imagine this energy scooping up fresh earth energy, coming up through the soles of our feet, through our ankles, our calves, our knees, and our thighs, and traveling up through all of our chakras, and popping up outside the top of our head and forming a beautiful ball of light. And now see yourself in this ball of light. And imagine this ball of light traveling up out of the space that you're in, higher and higher and higher and faster and faster and faster. Imagine that ball of light lifting you up out past Earth's atmosphere, out into outer space, through different planets, galaxies, and the Milky Way, and higher and higher and higher beyond there, out into different layers of light. Some light, some dark. Imagine those layers lifting you up, out past Earth's atmosphere, and through all of those layers into a beautiful golden-like light. And from the golden-like light into a jelly-like substance light. And through the jelly-like substance light into a beautiful pink haze, which is the law of compassion. And through the law of compassion, you enter into the seventh plane of all that is, the plane of creation, of oneness, and of complete totality. And from here, we will ask for some downloads for the group today. For those of you who may be joining for the first time, downloads are energies that we receive from the universe into our subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind is the place of our beliefs, our limiting beliefs, our supporting beliefs. And in this theta state, we have the opportunity to shift them. When we shift our beliefs, we change our reality. This is a theta healing meditation, and you are in a theta brainwave. So would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is to acknowledge that you are worthy of feeling support, that you are worthy of being the student today, acknowledging that it's safe for you to be the student. If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is to trust that it's a beautiful, amazing opportunity to continue to learn your divine life lessons with such ease, joy, and glory? If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like to call into your vibration those people that inspire you, that move you forward, people that you look to create connection in your life, that want to connect with you? If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is in every single cell of your body to have the courage to open up your heart, to open up your mind, to open up your entire being, to be a little bit more vulnerable today? So would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is to be a little bit more vulnerable today? If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is in every single cell of your body to know that whatever you're going through, whatever challenges you're facing, you're not alone? Many times we think we're the only person in the world who's ever done this before. I know that as my mother began this journey that she's on of healing, I I know that what she had been diagnosed with is really quite rare, and I've never really met anyone that had the same diagnosis. And when I started to share with people, they were like, "Oh, my sister's father had that same thing, and you can expect this and this and this." And I was like, wow, there's other people who've been through what we've been through, right? And so, would you like to know what it feels like to know that you're not alone? That the wise old man that exists within you, that exists around you, is always willing to pull up a seat at the bar and share with you some sage advice. If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is in every single cell of your body? To have the courage to also be that for somebody else, that you can be the old man for somebody else, the old sage. If you'd like that, say yes. I recently had a meeting with someone, and they were talking about selling points, right? Selling points and things that make someone appear more trustworthy. And the person said to me, "Well, you have gray hair. People trust people with gray hair because they think they're old and wise." I thought, wow, that's an interesting point of view. So, would you like to know what it feels like to trust that you have whatever it is that people are looking for comfort and support of nurturing? If you'd like that, say yes. Great. So now let's shift our energy to those who require healing today. And as we do so, let's just imagine them surrounded in the Creator's love and in the Creator's light. Imagine them happy, healthy, safe, and protected. So first, can we please send unconditional healing and light to my mama, Mama Linda, in her recovery and her healing process. Send her unconditional light and unconditional love. Happy, healthy, safe, and protected. And can we also please send healing to Jim? Happy, healthy, safe, protected. Let's send healing to Karmazina. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. And let's also please send healing to Susie. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. I also want to send healing today to the family of Luke. Luke is a young man, 31 years old, who unexpectedly died of a heart attack the other day. His wife is pregnant, expecting their first child. And very unexpectedly, he had a heart attack and died. And so you can imagine the pain, shock, and trauma of his family. Please, let's just send them all love, hold space for them all. And let's also please acknowledge his soul and the elevation of his soul. Send him unconditional healing and light for his journey. And let's also please send healing to Anne. Great. And last but not least, would you guys like to know that you are unconditional love, that you be unconditional love, and that unconditional love is your birthright? If you'd like that, say yes. Now let's take our palms, roll our palms together. Faster and faster and faster and faster and faster. Place your hands over your eyes. Your eyes are the windows to your soul. When you're ready, you can open up your eyes, allow that energy to come into your body and into your being. Place your hands on your heart. Congratulate yourself. Thank yourself for being here. Thank you for showing up today. Have a wonderful day, an amazing day filled with lots of love, lots of light. Wonderful to see you, Karmazina. Have a beautiful day, my beloved. Thank you, everyone. Bye, guys.